Hey everybody, it's Tony with the Karl Auto Group. I'm back again with Brett Moyer. We're talking all things Karl Auto Group today. So Chevrolet store in Ankeny just took the #1 GM certified store in the nation on the pre-owned side. What's that mean?
Wow. That's a big deal because we're talking over 4,000 certified dealers and we're #1. And the thing about that even means more than that is the quality that we did it at. You know, Karl will not shortcut on getting a vehicle ready, and GM has its level of certification and Karl's is even above that. So to obtain that at the quality that we did it at is just exciting.
So, I mean, that's awesome. What a feat, right? I mean, #1 out of 4,000 dealers right here in the state of Iowa. And, you know, with the Karl Auto Group and all the other locations on the pre-owned side, what does that mean to the customer that, hey, you're #1 in Ankeny, but what does that mean to me if I'm at one of your other locations?
That means that you get the same quality at any one of those locations that you get here. And it's really hard to put that in words, what it means, but it is that you won't be disappointed. You'll be glad that you chose us.
So you're getting the #1 dealer in the nation, and that's how you're going to get your pre-owned vehicle. You know, #1's an amazing feat. There's not much more to go from there. But in 2022, you know, what are some exciting things if I'm in the market for a pre-owned vehicle that I should really look to the Karl Auto Group for?
Well, to me, the biggest thing is we are going to service our customers and take care of more of them at the same level that we've been doing it at. You know, here in Ankeny, it's going to be the same. You know, you should be able to be blindfolded. If you didn't know where you're at, the way the experience is going to go, you would swear it's right here in Ankeny.
Great. So KarlAuto.com, all of our pre-owned vehicles are there. So any of the locations we have throughout the state, you're going to get that same quality vehicle. We can get it there for the customer, and they're going to be taken care of.
Absolutely, and that's the goal. And what a neat experience where just from the computer you can pick which vehicle you want, and we'll make it easy from there. And truly, our biggest job is to help you find the right vehicle, and from there it's easy.
6 locations, multiple rooftops, all the domestic brands: Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Ford.
Where's you out?
Where's you out? You know, but anybody that's in the market for a new car, on those sides, you know, we can take care of them in more locations throughout the state of Iowa, Brett. And, you know, and then on the pre-owned side, I mean, all these locations, all the inventory's in one spot on KarlAuto.com, and the consumer's going to get a seamless experience no matter where they're at.